Hello, this is Miranda Boger here, and I am going to talk about the expectations for entering and exiting my classroom. I feel that these two things are very valuable to have in your classroom. These expectations will help with so much. They will help with student behaviors, building those student-teacher relationships, and to help student success. If you have a good student relationship with their teacher, you're going to see more improvements and more gains in those students' academic needs. Um, I feel that these are super important because you just never know what a kid is going on at home. So when you start the day with doing some of these little greetings, it kind of just resets them and lets them focus on, hey, we're at school, we're in a safe place. So I just love it because the kids get to check in with me, I get to check in with them, and they're really excited to choose these awesome activities. So here are our examples of the quick and easy morning greetings. We were dealing with COVID this year, so they were all touch-free. We have the classic air hug. We have the classic air five. We have the floss dance. The kids love this one. We have the classic elbow bump. We have where they hit the whoa, and that's a TikTok trend that most kids at this age know and they love to do it. So a lot of kids chose this one as well. Then we just have your classic wave. Some kids chose not to do this. I only ever had one student choose not to do it, and that was a-okay. They just didn't want to do it that morning, and I didn't force them to do any of this. We also have our pond exits. These are located outside and inside my classroom right by the door. The kids just pick the one they want to do to enter the room and to leave the room, and it takes about 3 to 5 seconds for each kid, and it just starts the day off with a positive start. And having those positive things are going to help with student success. And so I really think that these two things are very valuable to have in your classroom. Thank you for your time and have a great day.